Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to Learning Life and Loving Rhea Scanners. My name is your host, Cunningham. In today's video, what I would like to talk to you guys a little bit about, and this is what I think about this video, what we are planning to talk a little bit about. It's like what I feel about listening to the radio frequencies, like whenever I go to like a new destination. And the new destination is like Open County, Tennessee. Now, Open County uses a Open County Regional Public Safety System. And this system is a Motorola Type 2 SmartNet. And you guys are probably wondering, Tommy, why in the world are you talking about this? And I'll tell you that here in a minute, okay? So the first thing, that the reason why that I'm talking about this, it's because the radio frequencies in this area you guys can like get an interop with Kentucky State Police. You guys can also get a interop with Fulton County, Kentucky, and McCracken County, Kentucky, and Hickman. Then after that, you got their River Fire Dispatch. You guys also got Baptist Hospital EMS. You guys also got Sheriff's Dispatch. So in the schools, you got Open County Schools Operations 1, 2, and 3. And in Union City Schools on Channel 3. And in Rivers, you guys got a DMR. So if you guys use like that Rhea scanner over there, that DM1701, which I honestly think is the bestest Rhea scanner ever, which I think out of by far, because I can listen to DMR signals, and most of my places now that I go to uses like DMR signals, which I think is really kind of interesting on their end. So also let you guys know, like whenever you guys go up to, let's just say, New York City, okay? We're using this as an example. We go on down to services, and we go on down to the Department of Transit. So you guys got Signal Department, you guys got Yard, you guys got their 3 subways, Power Station, you guys also got Staten Island Railroad, you guys got Maintenance of the Way, which I think Maintenance of the Way is a really good one. You guys also got the Central Park Zoo, New York City Ferry, Staten Island Ferry. And then after that, you guys got Southeast Psychology. And you guys also got Staten Island Development Place, which I think is really kind of interesting on their end, because those radio frequencies on their end are like so interesting and like so compact. It is like unbelievable. So New York also has their university. It's called New York University. So this one has their own security and security patrols. Westgate, West, if I can get this, Suffolk County has like this place called called, which I think is really good. This place is part of the military, and this place is called their, the, it's called their, it's called their National Laboratory in Brookhaven. They got security, fire and EMS, ADS, and RHC, which I think is really interesting. You guys also got like the 5 island radio frequencies, which I think is really interesting. Now, also if we go back to that county that I was talking about, so the U.S. Merchant Marine place is located at Kings Point. Kings Point is like a really good radio frequency to listen to, because on here you guys can listen to a narrow FM communication of 162.6125. And then after that, we look at the U.S. Merchant Marine area on their stuff. You guys got applications for class 2028. You guys also got steps to admission. They want like school information. They want like different stuff, so they know that like the math there, the official test scores. You guys also got like academic examiners. You guys also got teacher examiners, academic and external activities. You guys must also do a 500 word essay. Describe your reasons for wishing to attend. Your curriculum must be prioritized in career interests, coursework, hobbies and stuff, from military related stuff. You guys also got like on here now admission visits. You guys got visit days. Day visits are Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays from 10:30 to 4 p.m. Overnight visits are Tuesdays and Thursdays from 10:30 to 12 p.m. And briefing only is Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Thursdays from 10:30 to 11:30. And the agenda is at 10:10 a.m. You guys arrive at the admission building, and after that you guys have an admissions brief with the admission officer. Walk into the dining hall. Student handoff, Miss Point for lunch. Academy does continue for patients. Parent tour. A day visit. Student should visitor return to the admissions building. Next day, 12 p.m. overnight, student visitor return to the admissions building. Visitor requirements supposed to be a high school or college student. Visible to apply with 2 immediate family members or a legal guardian. Proof of vaccination is not required to visit the academy. All visitors must have a valid photo ID. Now, going on down, you guys also, I don't think this place does anything with people with disabilities, and I will check and I will get back with you guys. They got like health services, which is health services. If you guys look on here, this is like their own fire and EMS. You guys got related health departments, health services departments, which is the health documents checklist, the private properties, authorization for provide health services for minors, a third message check, and number 10 is emergency contacts. And this is what they're, give me a minute, this is what it's pulling up. So this right here is like their emergency contact, person's full name, last and CNN date of birth, new student address, emergency contact number 1, emergency contact number 2, and that's a lot of help from like different people there, which I think is really kind of neat. It's really kind of cool. It's really kind of awesome that they do this. All right, guys, that's it. Have a great day, and YouTube. I will see you guys this afternoon for another video.